Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about nutrition and biochemistry question paper for BSc Nursing first year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year November 2018. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. Before discussing this question paper, I like to say our viewers and subscribers that we have posted many question paper related videos. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers which have been given in the end card, suggested iCards as well as in the description box. So this question paper code is 331. It is taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada, BSc Nursing Degree Examination, November 2018, first year examination, 4YDC program, Nutrition and Biochemistry, new scheme. The maximum marks allotted is 75 and the time allotted for this is 3 hours. So answer in two separate answer booklets because this is nutrition is part A and part B is biochemistry. So the questions in part A should not be answered in part B and vice versa. That is part B answer should not be answered in part A. So you have to have separate booklets for part A and part B. So let's see what are all the things they have asked in part A. So as I have told earlier, part A is nutrition which is for 45 marks and part B is biochemistry which is for 30 marks. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked in part A. So part A here, essay question which comprises of 3 questions out of which you have to answer only 2. Write an essay on any 2 of the following. Each question carries 10 marks. So 2 into 10 is equal to 20 marks. So the first question is discuss the various methods of cooking and its effects on nutrients. How can you preserve the nutrients while cooking the foods? So this is your first question. I will repeat the first question. Discuss the various methods of cooking and its effects on nutrients. How can you preserve the nutrients while cooking the foods? Second question is define balanced diet. What factors do you consider while planning? Second question is define balanced diet. What factors you consider while planning, that is balanced diet. While you are planning balanced diet, what are all the factors you will consider? That is the second question. Third question is discuss the applied nutrition program. Discuss the applied nutrition program is your third question. Next is write short notes on any 3 of the following. They will be giving 5 short notes. Out of those you have to answer any 3. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 marks. So let's see what are all the questions they have asked in short notes. Fourth question is steps to be taken to prevent food contamination. Fourth question is steps to be taken to prevent food contamination. Fifth question, vitamin A requirements, sources and deficiencies. Fifth question is vitamin A requirements, sources and deficiencies. Sixth question, explain the functions of calcium in our body. Sixth question, explain the functions of calcium in our body. Seventh question is obesity. Seventh question is obesity. Eighth question, definition, functions and deficiency of essential fatty acids. Definition, functions and deficiency of essential fatty acids. Next is brief answers, that is 2 mark question. They will be giving 5 2 marks questions. There is no choice. You have to answer all the 5. Each question carries 2 marks. So 5 into 2 is nothing but 10 marks. So ninth question is what are macronutrients? Write its caloric value. Ninth question is what are macronutrients? Write its caloric value. 10th question, name 4 fiber diet. 10th question, name 4 fiber diet. 11th question, define nutrition and health. 11th question, define nutrition and health. 12th question, give good sources of vitamin C. 12th question, give good sources of vitamin C. 13th question, name the essential amino acid. Name the essential amino acid. So this questions and all comes under brief answers. So we have completed part A, nutrition, which is for 45 marks. Next, moving on to part B, which is for 30 marks. So here, write an essay on any one of the following. They will be giving 2 essays. Out of those 2 essays, you have to answer one. 1 into 10 is equal to 10 marks. Next, the 14th question is in essay, explain urea cycle. 15th question is define the sources, biochemical functions, normal requirements and deficiency manifestations of thiamine. So 14th question is explain urea cycle. 15th question is define the sources, biochemical functions, normal requirements and deficiency manifestations of thiamine. Next, moving on to short notes. You have to answer any 2 of the following. Here also they have given 5 short notes. Out of those 5 you have to answer only 2, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 10 marks. So 16th question, blood buffers. 17th question, acid base balance. 18th question, atherosclerosis. 19th question, creatine clearance test. 20th question, formation and fate of ketone bodies. I repeat the short notes. 16th question, blood buffers. 17th question, acid base balance. 18th question, atherosclerosis. 19th question, creatinine clearance test. 20th question, formation and fate of ketone bodies. Next, moving out of these 5, 2 you have to answer. 2 into 5, 10 marks. Next, moving on to brief answers. See here they will be giving 5 brief answers. That is no choice, as I have told in nutrition. Similarly in biochemistry also 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks and you have to answer all the 5. So 21st question, define rancidity. 21st question is define rancidity. 22nd question is enumerate the functions of vitamin K. 22nd question, enumerate the functions of vitamin K. 23rd question, name 4 monosaccharides. 23rd question, name 4 monosaccharides. 24th question, define osmosis. 24th question, define osmosis. 25th question, name the bile salts. 25th question, name the bile salts. So that completes your part B. Okay, so part A is 45 marks, part B is 30 marks. You have to answer nutrition in separate answer booklet and biochemistry in separate answer booklet. Hope this video is clear for you all. As I have told earlier, to watch more question paper related videos, watch our channel playlist. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in description box, suggested end card, iCard, and you can watch it and you can get benefited with those videos. Thank you friends. Stay tuned to Science Easy Tech channel.